3D Preview has recently been updated with some exciting new features that allow for quicker scan quality verification. To access the menu, click the model and it will appear on the top left corner. Here, you will be able to check for annotations to verify if the operator set the order form correctly, check the distance map for preliminary byte verification, and analyze model for any imperfections. If a case already has a design, you can access additional options in the menu for more precise quality control by clicking on the design itself. The menu in the top left corner will list the additional tools from Dental Designer without needing to open the design module, such as insertion direction, distance to antagonist, or thickness map, to name a few. To close the additional menu, simply click on the gray background. You will also find 2D cross-section, shade measurement, and few other useful tools in the visibility options in the top right side of the screen.